How to fix Instagram story icon too big. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe and click that bell icon on to be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So a very quick and easy tutorial for you today, guys. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram, long press, and go to your app info. So in the app info, we will see some options for our Instagram. What we'll need to do is go to the storage usage, and then here we will have a clear cache and clear data. So if we both clear this data and cache, we will be getting or removing the updates in our Instagram. So basically we will have the older version of it, so there will be no more bigger icons for your Instagram stories. So another solution is to long press again Instagram and uninstall it. So once you uninstall it, you will be removing this version of Instagram from your phone. And in order for you to download a older version, go to your browser, and once you're in your browser, go to the search bar and search Instagram old version, and you will see tons of links where you can download your Instagram and pick a version of Instagram that is older than the updated version right now. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.